Mana moy to ma pa yo ma ker ker to ma te ge che yo man do ran ba man lam ma pin ba ma ya man ma ber ko mana moy to ma pa yo.
So do you remember the time when the Chief Justice of Uganda, Alphonse Dollo, had to lay some bricks with his friends, advocating for the construction of a church and a school?
Rangba malam mapimba kapir mama wilu kumbaya mama hey mara moye papa yo mama tege te man dong rangba malam mapimba kapir mama wilu kumbaya mama hey mara moye papa yo mama tege te man dong rangba malam mapimba kapir mama wilu kumbaya mama mara moye papa yo pinya ba kabiru mama wilu kuma ya banga kabiru boye mara moye ba balo yori pingo kerkera to ba tege man dora la manda pinya ba kabiru mama wilu kuma ya banga kabiru boye mara moye ba balo yori pingo Goma tege man dora ba manda pinya ba kabiru mama wilu kuma ya banga kabiru boye mara moye ba balo yori pingo kerkera Goma tege man dora ba manda pinya ba nyabanga me wilu kuma ya banga kabiru boye mara moye ba balo yori pingo kerkera Goma tege man dora ba manda pinya ba kabiru mama wilu kuma ya banga kabiru boye mara moye ba balo yori pingo kerkera Goma tege man dora ba manda pinya ba kabiru mama wilu kuma ya banga kabiru boye mara moye ba balo yori pingo kerkera Goma tege man dora ba manda pinya ba kabiru mama wilu kuma ya banga.
Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the church. What you're looking at behind me, so huge, is the church. Yes, to get straight, the denomination is Catholic, that is it. And the Chief Justice of Uganda, being a Christian, has decided to construct this. The ground where I'm standing is the exact place where the Chief Justice grew up, and it is where his real home is located. It is called Acholi. Acholi is a village within Agabu district. So you can imagine how far you have to come to reach this. So this is it. A very nice building. Strong materials, big, expensive materials, durable, and it will last years. So this is what I've been talking about. The likes of Chief Justice much as he's doing what is called Rochopajo outside, he's also doing the Rochopajo at home. I always like saying he's a partner in crime with Ola Aratuno. Yeah, in other words, I mean, they are friends. And also, we must remember, as they are partners in Rochopajo, there are some of you who are partners in Taopajo. So don't be a partner in Taopajo and join the partners of Rochopajo. And these are the kind of things. This is initiatives from lobbying and connections, thinking about the home. This is a church. You may wonder that why a church? Was something that brings money. Yes, there's school. There's also tertiary institution that is constructed. We will get opportunity to get there and also show you what it is all about. So let's take a look at this church. Come and go. So this is the church. Let's use one of these entrances. In fact, we're going to check all the rooms, and also we're going to check the windows and the doors. So let's start from this is the first door and also the windows. So this is the building. The materials you can see, as I told you, strong. Look at the veranda. So this is one of the windows. Beautiful. Still not yet finished, but the finishing has already started, as you can see. Look at the roof. You see? So here we enter. Wow, the way Bosmik says. So you can see one of the rooms is here. Yeah, they know the meaning. Maybe it's a bathroom, possibly. So, or changing room. It's a corridor here. There's only those who are engineers or the priest who can understand this. So look at this. Amazing. So see, when you look up, let's circle this round and see 360. Come on. Wait. Look at this. The window. So man, this church is not small. This is a huge church. Huge one. There's another door. I think the public door. I think there are two there are 3 public doors. This one you're seeing, and also one the opposite side. And also there's another one which I may call it main, if I mean to suggest. Yes, is where I'm going to. The main. So here comes the main. Look at this ground. The steps. A real original church, original building, man. I think photo of Jesus homemade will be put in that hole there up. At the time when the decoration comes in. So this is it, the initiative of Owiny Dollo, the Chief Justice of Uganda. It's not a joke. Some of the people stayed for so long and even passed away without doing these kind of things. But it takes a lot of heart and struggle and sacrifice for you to know that, or to decide that, no, let me do this for my own people. See, this kind of pillars, just this pillar, imagine how much it cost. Look. So strong, and this is the door I was talking about, as it is the main. You can see. Let's enter from the main and see how it feels, and move straight to the altar. The people who have been altar boys, you see, you can imagine how amazing this is. Look at this. I'm walking very fast, but I've not yet reached. So, don't mind about the noise, it is the kids, I cannot chase them away. So, the steps in the altar. So, this is the altar. Table is also ready. It's made concrete table. Look. So, if you think this is amazing, if you think you love this, if you believe that what the Chief Justice of Uganda is doing in Acholi is amazing, I just want you to comment that God bless Owiny Dollo, or you can add any comment positive about this. But I suggest comment down God bless Owiny Dollo, and also God bless you too. Thank you.